Hi all, I'm so sorry I can't be there. I have a faculty senate meeting, but I wanted to share with you the professional development that I have been working on. It's DEI in collaboration with Dr. Trainer. So I have had release time to work on this series, and I wanted to share it with you before I shared it with the larger DEI Council. So what our plan for next year is to have an inclusive teaching series of workshops that provide faculty with tangible ways to accommodate our diverse student body. So the workshop would consist of 6 workshops and would highlight, let me take you to there, it would highlight the groups that are currently underrepresented in DEI. And at the end of this completion, members of the cohort, which I'll talk about that in a second, would complete these competencies. What will happen is that we are asking for applications, and 10 cohort members would be chosen from various disciplines and campuses. And then that is where you would come in if you are willing. We thought that this committee would be a great committee to review the applications. So perhaps we could take them by college and split them up that way, but we don't anticipate there being that many for each person to review, and then we can meet together and then sort of finalize, talk about our selections. So I hope that this is something that the committee would be open to doing, and I am available during the DEI Council meeting or through phone, and you can see my cell phone on my email address to answer any questions that you might have. But that is what is happening with the DEI Inclusive Series. They would then complete a portfolio with those competencies. So in short, I need your help in reviewing applications. Dr. Trainer thought that our subcommittee would be the appropriate place for that. So I look forward to hearing feedback from you, and I thank you so much for all your help. Thanks.